Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel with a new video. Hope you all doing well. Today we talk about how to develop social media strategies. Creating a social media strategy is essential for any business looking to connect with their audience and grow their online presence. In this video, we will break down the key steps to developing a successful social media strategy that drives engagement and results. From defining your goals and target audience to choosing the right platforms and creating compelling content, we will cover everything you need to know to build a strong social media presence. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive into the world of social media strategy. Why it matters. Online entertainment has turned into an imperative device for organizations. In the computerized age, flaunting a stunning 4.6 billion worldwide clients as per computerized 2023. This immense client base presents as a chance for organizations to associate with clients and accomplish their advertising objectives. Through stages like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, organizations can fabricate brand mindfulness, draw in with their crowd, and cultivate a feeling of local market. Virtual entertainment empowers designated permitting organizations to arrive at expletives socioeconomics with continuous corresponding on these stages. Works with fast reactions to client requests and concerns can dramatically enhance a brand's range. Social listening device enable organizations to figure out customer feeling and adjust systems. The capacity to make media content improves narrating and limited time endeavors. Generally, virtual entertainment's unavoidable impact makes it a force to be rock with their organizations. Looking to in the powerful scenes of the computerized world. Define goals. Being with an unmistakable guide. What is that you need to accomplish with web-based entertainment? Expanding brand mindfulness by 20% guarantees lift in acknowledgement and among the interest group. Driving site traffic by 50% lays out a practical and reachable objective for improving internet based. Creating more leads lays out an unmistakable results. Estimating progress in gaining possible clients. Objectives keep away from adjusting enrollers and giving an organized structure to technique. Time bound objectives make desperation, encourage an outcomes driven culture and centered procedure execution. Identify target audience. Understanding your ideal client goes past socioeconomics like age, area, and interest. Digging into the internet based ways of behaving and online entertainment propensities, giving important experience, permitting you to tailor content that really reverberates. They distinguish how they explore the web, whether they favor portable and work area, confront their pursuits, designs, inclinations for web-based shopping or data utilization, investigate the planning of their virtual entertainment moment to upgrade content for greatest effect. Choose platforms. Various stages take care of unmistakable socioeconomics, stressing the need to adjust your presence to where your ideal interest group visits their energy. Experts frequently incline toward giving a favorable climate to B2B comprehensions and systems administration. Then again, stages like Instagram or TikTok and more qualified for drawing in with a more youthful crowd, benefiting from outwardly engaging and dynamic substance, fitting your web-based entertainment methodology to line up with your crowds. Foundation improves the viability of your efforts Creating engaging content. Eye-getting visual get consideration with consuming pictures or designs. Useful inscription questions furnish significant setting or draw in with provocate questions. Intuitive components lift commitment through services and crowd sports for a unique online entertainment presence. How can research and analysis be conducted effectively? Industry trends. Persistently screen industry patterns via visual entertainment stages. Distinguish key subjects and styles that resound with your crowd. Examine contender techniques, gain bits of knowledge by noticing and understanding what effective contenders and carrying out in their web-based entertainment approach. Competitor analysis. Gain from effective contenders by examining their visual entertainment techniques, perceiving qualities, and utilizing bits of knowledge. Moreover, distinguish their mix-ups to situate or yourself feeling expected, holds on the lookout, and laying out a particular presence. Growth opportunities. First, use research experience influence discoveries to organize potential open doors where virtual entertainment can decidedly affect business development. Second, send off new items decisively present and advance new contributions through designated virtual entertainment clustered. Drive Third, drive deals carry out deal centered approaches. For example, select advancements or restricted time offers on friendly stages. Fourth, construct client connections, cultivate more grounded associations by drawing in with the crowd, tending to questions and exhibiting the human side of your image. Fifth, boost online entertainment potential, art and executive procedure that lines up with business objectives using the different capacities of virtual entertainment for ideal effect. Setting objectives and KPLs. First, plan to help web-based entertainment collaborations by 20% through essential substance and crowd commitment strategies in the following quarter. Second, grow the base by 50% in 690 days through designated missions and association to accomplish more extensive web-based present vividly. Third, execute a virtual entertainment driven change system to raise site traffic by 20% in the forthcoming quarter, zeroing in on quantifiable snaps and transformations. These are important key performance indicators. Track measurements, for example, commitment rates, development and site navigates rates to progress toward web-based entertainment objectives. Here are few models. First, screen the quantity of guests coming from virtual entertainment channels utilizing devices like Google Investigation. Second, track likes, remarks, and offer on presence on measure crowd association and generally commitment. Third, measure the development in spotters over the long haul serving the of your substance and efforts procedure. Fourth, investigate the exhibition of promote by observing the level of snaps concentrates with impressions showing promoting visibility. To treat a content calendar, focus on these 5 visual points. First, outline monthly themes and topics. Second, set specific posting days and times. Third, use social media management tools. Fourth, prepare content in advance. Fifth, ensure a consistent and organized schedule. To create a posting schedule, focus on these 5 crucial points. First, understand your target audience habits and time zones. Second, identify when your audience is most active on social media platforms. Third, utilize research and tools like Sprout Social for data on optimal posting times. 4. Scheduled posts during peak hours to maximize engagement and visibility. Engagement and community building. First, idea reactions. Focus on brief answers to remarks and messages. Second, show care connect truly to convey on earnest premium in crowd criticism. Third, construct capability lay out a positive relationship by resolving questions and input. Building relationships. First, draw in crowd with challenges for expanded sport. Second, cultivate people group through live back and forth discussions, fabricating direct cooperation. Third, work together with powerhouses for more extensive reach and validity. Fourth, develop brand dependently by making significant associations and encounters. Paid advertising strategies. First one is paid campaigns. First point, social media ads offer broader reach. Second, paid campaigns target specific demographics. Third, align ads with ideal customer interest. Four, maximize outreach through strategic targeting. Second one is driving conversation. First, move beyond likes and shares. Second, create clear calls to action. Third, drive conversation websites, visit purchase events. Four, maximize ad impact with actionable goals. Fifth, encourage user to take meaningful actions. How measuring and analyzing the performance. Analytics tools. Use only entertainment states, underlying investigation dashboards to follow fundamental measurements like reach, commitment, and site traffic coming about because of endeavors. Second, influence these apparatus for continuous bytes of knowledge. Third, screen and adjust system in view of execution information. Data-driven decisions. Don't just collect data, use it and analyze your results to identify areas for improvement. This could involve adjusting your content, strategy, targeting, or posting schedule based on what resonates with your audience. How can we do that adjusting and optimizing? Data and feedback. First one is perceive the intuitive idea of online entertainment, underscoring the significance of both quantitative and subjective information in measure achievement. Second one is while examination offer mathematically bits of knowledge. It's critical to dig into subjective input to more profound comprehension of crowd opinions and inclinations. Third one is effectively draw in with remarks and messages regarding them as important wellsprings of data that can give experience into your crowd's response and SU motions. Fourth one is influencer is criticism to refine your substance methodology, making fundamental changes that address crowd inclinations as well as fortify the general association with your interest group. Continuous improvements. First one is achievement depends on inflexibility. Second is horizontally survey information and criticism. Third is use experience to refine your technique. Fourth one is be available to trial and error. Fifth, attempt different substance designs. Sixth one is try different things with posting times. Seven is investigate different web-based entertainment stages. 8 is recognize the best methodology. 9 one is remain adaptable in your promoting strategies. 10th is change procedures in view execution. So at the end we conclude that first is define clear social media goals. Second is understand your target audience thoroughly. Third is create compelling and engaging content. Fourth one is constantly measure and analyze results. Fifth is adapt strategies based on data and feedback. Sixth is ensure flexibility to meet evolving trends. Importance. A well-developed social media strategy is pivotal for business success, serving as a dynamic conduit to a broad audience. It establishes a direct connection, fostering brand awareness and building a robust online presence. Through strategic content and engagement, social media becomes a potent tool for lead generation, creating valuable opportunities for customer interaction and feedback. As brand visibility increases, so does that potential for driving sales growth. Converting engagement audience into loyal customers is insane. A thoughtfully social media strategy acts as a alleging digital efforts with overacting business goals and contributing significantly to overall success. First one is wider audience reach. Second is brand awareness. Third one is lead generation. Fourth is customer interaction. Fifth, sale growth. And last one is alignment with business goals. These key points are crucial for anyone in business aiming to grow and succeed. Don't forget to look at our different videos, and on the off chance that you have any inquiry or points you did like us to cover, leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe.